Welcome to Padu Motivations. This is my 2023 Tesla Model 3. I had it just about 2 years. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how long my Tesla tires last. These are the original tires that came with my vehicle. And then I'm going to talk about how much it costs to actually replace a full set of tires on my 2023 Tesla Model 3. Those of you who don't have a Tesla yet, or those of other owners, this might be some real good information for you. So let's get into it. Okay, so let's go ahead and see. I have a tire gauge, a tread depth gauge, and obviously red, you need tires, yellow is a warning, and it should be in green, okay? Like I said, these were the original tires, so let's see. We'll go in the middle. That's red, so it looks like I need tires, okay? They're definitely front tires. Now let's check the back. Check the rear tires. Let's see what we've got here. Hold on, let me do it again. This way I get more accurate. Okay, so here we go. So the rear, if you look at that, that's in yellow. It's almost in the red, all right? So obviously I do need tires, and I'm gonna have I have to get a whole set of tires, and I'm gonna tell you how much it's actually gonna cost. One thing as Tesla owners, you definitely should know, or those of you about to purchase a Tesla, one thing that can help your tires is put it on chill mode. That will decrease the acceleration. Remember, Teslas and most electric vehicles, since it has a battery, it's very heavy, so it goes through tires a little bit quicker than the average vehicle. So chill mode would help it, not constant acceleration. That'll help your tires last a little bit longer. But let me tell you how much it will cost to replace your Tesla tires. Oh, by the way, this vehicle, and this is one of the most important things, I only have 18,000 miles on this car. Okay, so I did purchase new tires, and I went on the Tesla's mobile app to purchase it, and the tires cost $1,476. I got Michelin Primacy tires. I'm not sure how long it's gonna last. That price did include tax, whatnot, but thankful or not thankful, I did not have to pay for it because I used my Tesla referral credit. So, by the way, and I want to thank my subscribers for that. By the way, if you're thinking about purchasing a new Tesla, go to my Tesla referral link. You'll save some money. So let's go ahead and check out the tires first. And also, please subscribe as well. Here we go. So we're in green now, we're in business, and you can tell the difference now. Look at that, look at those treads now. So it looks like I'm in really good shape now. All right, well listen, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and we will see you at the next video. Take care.